Granite stone is sliced out of mountains using diamond-coated chainsaw, a process that minimizes pollution. Kent uses granite stone for its superior engineering properties, uniform and stable structure. Great for shock absorption. No internal stress. Never rust. Never deform. Does not create vibrations like steel or aluminum. Kent's internal structure of choice for G-KCNC. Operations. Stone structure is taking less power and energy to produce while emitting less CO2 to the atmosphere. Kent is aware of the pollution challenges and is taking concrete steps to contribute to a better environment. If achieving higher productivity and fighting pollution is your goal, Kent Green Printer may be your best choice. Please subscribe to our channel. For more info, visit www.kentpp.com and contact our exclusive representative in your country.